Bowling. Bowling is a game that's all about collisions. You need to roll the ball with just the right force, size, and direction in order to knock down the pins. Well, you can't go to the bowling alley right now, but we can make our own bowling game at home. We are going to make a 5-pin bowling game. The 5 pins are set up in a shape of a triangle with the point facing toward you. Decide on a starting line, and you roll the ball towards the pins and try to knock them all down. Each player gets 3 tries, then the pins get set up again, and the next person gets a turn. How will you design your bowling game? First, think about what materials you have. Pins should be something that can stand up and can be knocked down. Make sure your pins are things that won't break if they got knocked down. A ball can be a real ball, or you can make a ball out of Play-Doh, tinfoil, or even paper. As we saw in our meeting, a bigger and heavier object is less likely to move in a collision. If your pins are bigger, you'll need a bigger ball and more force to knock them down. You need to make sure that the ball and the pins are a good match. If your ball is small and light, you'll need to use smaller pins. Let's try a ping pong ball with cans. The force from the ball is too small to knock over the cans. What about a tennis ball? I think the force was too big. It knocked the cans away too easily. Now I'm going to try with my fabric ball. Just right. The amount of force is just right to have a good game. Do all the pins have to be exactly the same? No, look around and see what you have that you can use. You might make something that's harder to knock down worth more points in your game. Once you're happy with your game, you can invite your family to play along with you. Make sure to take a picture of your bowling game to share.